not something I really wanted to do. And my first job also started when I was in 10th standard after completing my school and everything. Okay. My principal offered me, why don't you become a temporary teacher for the kindergarten till the time your 11th standards is not starting. So that was my first career as a teacher managing small kids.
Yes.
Okay. And it was damn funny. Because you have to imitate and act all the poems. You have to sit and make them write. Okay, you have to sit and make them eat. So during that duration, I was like that for those 5 hours, I'm completely gone. I don't have any personality of my own. I have to act completely like the kids. So that was the funniest part of my job. Okay, and I did that well. Suppose that I
in 9th standard, 9th and 10th.
Right. Okay. So that was my career journey. Other than this, there were certain kids whom I used to teach till my graduation, and I picked them up because they had the similar challenge like me, moving from a Hindi medium to English medium. Though I had from English to Hindi medium.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the trend.
So that was the difficulty, and I kept teaching them till the time I was in graduation in my hometown. So post graduation also I was not clear after doing multiple jobs in multiple places that what should I choose my career as. So I was like, let's move to Delhi. Let's see what the career goes across onto you for. So even after those 4 to 6 years of the jobs, which were not permanent, which were like for 2 to 3 months or 4 months, and clearing lot many interviews, I faced a lot of difficulties while being a part of in Delhi, considering the fact that I was not able to clear the interviews.
Okay.
I used to fumble, okay, and at the same time the confidence level was completely gone. Inappropriate, incorrect grammatical sentences. Communication in terms of the pronunciation was not correct, and I was aiming for the international DPOs. Because at that moment, my keen interest was into the desktop, laptops, printers, how to repair them, software, hardware, everything. Okay, though I was a normal commerce graduate. So that's how the journey began. And after not clearing 60 interviews, I cleared my last interview when I was about to like finish up all my expenses that I carried.
Super. 60 interviews.
Yes.
How you felt after failing those 60 interviews?
Every interview that I used to fail, I used to come outside, and before leaving for the day, I used to sit along with the HR person who used to schedule the first round of the discussion, asking that what are the things went wrong, help me out in preparing the next interview discussions, okay, and I used to jot down every detail.
Sure.
And after returning home, after reading all those paragraphs or sentences and everything, I was reading more newspapers, I was watching more series to improvise onto my communication skills.
Okay.
So that transformation kept on going. Every interview was a failure, that's fine. Move on to the next one.
But 60 is a big number.
It is.
And still you took that spirit high and यार करना है आगे. तो वो कैसे हुआ? मतलब 60 में लोग seriously 60
3 months. I was
Yeah.
like, what should I do? Should I go back? And going back was never an option. I never wanted to settle down in Varanasi. That was very clear. Till the time, since the time I moved into my 6th standard, so it was very clear that that is not the place where I can settle now. Considering the fact I worked at multiple places, I never found that kind of professionalism. Okay, so if someone is not true to their work and the others are there who are creating obstacles for you, you won't grow. Specifically the person who is managing the complete operations. So IBM was the last interview where I thought that I don't have a choice here. I have to clear it anyhow. And the HR person who kept taking the interviews and all, I said that even if I fail in the 5 discussions where where the other person is similarly asking the same questions, no different questions, only the person kept on changing. I said I won't give up. And in that company also, it was the 11th round where I cleared, and finally I was chosen.
Sweet. Wow.
So
okay.
Post that 11th round, one thing I did, I called up the HR somewhere around 10:30 at night, though I was aware that his shift gets over by 8:30, but I was so much excited. I wanted to thank him okay, for giving me this opportunity. And he was like, my shift hours are over, please don't call me right now, we'll talk tomorrow.
Superb.
So
that's actually good. मतलब आपने 60 and then 10, actually 11. It's like 70 plus, 70 80 plus, right? 70 plus, I would say, right? Oh my God, 70 plus interview में कुछ ऐसा हो जाना और उसके बाद लोग हार जाते हैं. और मतलब आप जाते थे, चलिए मुझे ये बताइए, आप जाते थे घर, फिर आप बोलते थे यार आज फिर हो गया काम, कुछ नहीं हुआ, राइट?
नहीं, मुझे तो वहीं पता चल जाता था।
हाँ मतलब वही, मतलब बेसिकली जब आप घर वापस आते हो, आप लोगों से मिलते हो, अपने घर परिवार से मिलते हो और बोलते हो कि यार समथिंग नॉट हैपेंड टुडे।
I was living here alone in PG.
ओके, अलोन, ठीक है, आप अकेले ही थे, सही, बट फिर भी आपको मन में लगता होगा कि यार कुछ नहीं हुआ, लेट इट बी। फिर नेक्स्ट डे 10th डे पे भी लोग हार मान जाते हैं। वो क्या था आपके अंदर जो आप लगे रहे?
I
What was
have
that?
a never giving up attitude.
Wow.
Okay. और वो बहुत ही early childhood से आ चुका है. I don't know, maybe due to my genes, due to my parents, okay, but that's there. If I don't succeed in the one attempt, that's fine. I'll keep doing till the time I don't succeed.
ब्रिलियंट। ये एक ऐसा पॉइंट है, आई थिंक जितने भी लोग हमें सुन रहे हैं, अगर ये पॉइंट को उन्होंने अपने मन में डाल दिया, they will succeed.
Right.
Whatever they do.
Because after giving up, what are you gonna do next? What are the choices you happen to have? अगर हमने ये सोच लिया तो हम give up तो करेंगे ही नहीं. हाँ, it could be a possibility that whatever efforts I'm doing अभी materialize नहीं हो रहा है. It will take some time, but that's fine. Efforts ही नहीं डालेंगे तो फिर आगे कैसे बढ़ेंगे लाइफ में?
वंडरफुल। तो ये हो गई आपकी जर्नी की बात। आपने अपने जर्नी के बारे में बहुत प्यारी बातें बताई, वेर यू स्टार्टेड वेरी अर्ली से लाइक 9th स्टैंडर्ड, राइट? एंड आपने खुद बच्चे थे आप, और फिर बच्चों को पढ़ाया, आपने से बहुत छोटे किंडरगार्टन वाले बच्चों को पढ़ाया, विच इज़ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल। आई मीन आई थिंक बीइंग इन HR and बच्चों को सिखाना is actually same. You're managing humans at very early stage, so it's pretty amazing. I think going forward, what are the critical aspect of HR? मतलब अगर मैं HR हूँ तो मेरे अंदर जैसे मेरे को पता चल जाएगा अनकॉन्शियस कॉन्शियस में मुझे पता चलेगा बंदा है कैसा। तो जब आप हायरिंग करते हैं तो यूजुअली पीपल टॉक अबाउट लॉट ऑफ दिस रिटन टेस्ट, वहाँ तक एक लेवल तक होता है, बट अगर मैं अपना कुछ छुपा रही हूँ, इफ आई एम हाइडिंग समथिंग, तो व्हाट इज द वेरी यूनिक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक इन एन HR जो आप भाव के पता कर लेते हो कि दिस पर्सन इज लाइक दिस, आई शुड नॉट हायर दैट पर्सन? व्हाट वाज दैट?
See, psychology reading is something that you can do from the body language, face reading, okay, and that does not come immediately. So after dealing with lot many people, taking lot many interviews, and being at times like चलती रहती है चीजें कि continuously चल रही हैं, okay, still you will not be able to realize until unless the person should come back and talk to you about it, and you have to make the other person comfortable, that rather than assuming anything, he or she is speaking the truth.
Yes.
And जब तक वो बोलेगा नहीं, आप भी God नहीं हो, आपको नहीं पता चलेगा। Then you cannot keep on reading the other person's mind and then thinking कि ठीक है fine, you're assuming. आप assume कर रहे हो कि वो ऐसा सोच रहा होगा, वो ऐसी चीजें चल रही होंगी, but assumptions doesn't really work. They don't. Okay, sometimes we assume depending upon our experiences with that person. Okay, maybe in the past that person has spoken the lies to us. तो हमने एक अपने माइंड में अनकॉन्शियस बायस बना ली कि ये पर्सन तो हमेशा झूठ बोलेगा, बट उसकी वो सिचुएशन क्या थी जिसकी वजह से वो इस लेवल पर आकर उसने आकर आपसे ये बातें की या झूठ बोला फॉर व्हाटसोएवर रीजन, वो पर्सन तो उस ड्यूरेशन के बाद चेंज होता रहा ना, बट अगर आपने ये बायस बना लिया सो यू आर द वन जो चेंज नहीं हुए। सो एक्सपीरियंसेस आते रहेंगे, रिटन टेस्ट ठीक है, स्किल सेट्स आर समथिंग व्हिच यू कैन टीच अ पर्सन, बट कैन यू टीच देम द मोरालिटी, कैन यू टीच देम द डिफरेंस बिटवीन गुड और बैड? Can you teach them that okay fine, it's just a job, you don't have to take so much hard onto yourself, it's okay, sometimes the numbers are not met, sometimes the targets are not met, but if the company or your manager is willing to give you a chance, why are you not willing to take that chance on you? That's not the end of the life and people should not think like that, it's just a job. हो सकता है कि वहाँ पर आपका इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उस काम को करने के लिए, आपने किया हुआ है just because you wanted to earn money, just because you wanted to support your family, okay, just because you wanted to stay away from your parents to have an independent life, okay, so it's not really right कि आप जो है उसमें आप 100% ही दोगे, आप बस उतना ही required percentage दोगे कि जितना आपका काम हो सके, जितना उस जॉब की requirement है. So we talk about engagement, motivation, तो वो चीजें कहाँ से आएंगी? It can't. There are two choices any person happen to have into this, okay, या तो आप उस काम को लेकर इतने serious हो जाओ so you are like I'll do it anyhow, whether I like it, I don't like it, anything is there, okay. या तो आप अपना purpose ढूंढो. Before getting into any job, you have to find the purpose. आपका life का purpose उस job के purpose से कहाँ sync कर रहा है. कंपनी के विजन और गोल्स तो ठीक है, बट आपके विजन और गोल्स उससे मैच कर रहे हैं? अगर वो नहीं मैच कर रहे हैं तो वहाँ ज्वाइन करके आप अपना तो टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो, कंपनी ने एक रिसोर्स का टाइम वेस्ट किया, नो बिग डील।
ट्रू। अब यहाँ पे एक और सिचुएशन होता है, एक बंदा है उसके पास एक क्या बोलते हैं, एक ऑक्यूपेशन है जो उसको मन नहीं है बट उधर सैलरी ज्यादा है,
राइट।
वो मैं वो कर लूँ, पर उसका मन है शायद 10,000 वाले में, पर वो जा रहा है 20,000 वाले में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल द अर्ली स्टार्टर्स, राइट? सो व्हाट शुड दैट, मतलब वो बंदा क्या करे, कैसे अपने चॉइसेस मेक करे?
I'll give you an example from my own life.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Go ahead.
So my life was going pretty well into the international BPOs, earning handsome amount of the money, more than required, whatever it was. But that was not solving the purpose of my life. So I never wanted to be a customer care executive sitting behind the scenes and helping my customers over the call and things like that. I wanted to be a face of the company where I'm interacting with people, I'm representing my organization, okay, and I wanted to be the brand ambassador. So what next? HR was something that intrigued me from there, and I started doing not much but taking the trainings on behalf of the HR teams, though I got this opportunity into my teams in the early stages only. So taking the trainings for the entire 500 people across the floor, 1,000 people across the floor, that's how I started my journey. Okay. Though that was not a full-time HR role, that was just into the learning and development, and I was very much keen that okay fine, I could be a learning and development trainer.
Yeah.
Later on I decided I could not teach the same subject, same content, it's just the people would be different. Okay. Alright, that's okay. Distractions will happen.
Yeah,
Let's
yeah.
keep going.
Sweet.
So, leaving that job was a tough decision, but still I was not sure what exactly I wanted to do. So, I moved to Bangalore. I stayed there almost for a year and multiple jobs happened. I joined a law firm. Things did not work out that well. Okay. Second one was a company which was just dealing into the fresher hiring. So they needed someone who can interact with the freshers, get the job descriptions, post on their website. I enrolled myself into that to understand what exactly an HR does.
Okay.
And my salary, if I talk about, was similar the way I started way back in 2007. Okay, I compromised. So anybody who is looking forward to make a career into a particular field, you will not get each and everything at every place.
Absolutely,
So be ready to adjust into that environment, because then it's fulfilling the purpose of your life. Then it's fulfilling the goal of your life that you really wanted to become this. And my actual journey of the HR started in 2012. Okay. Where I was completely a new person, started with my first company, and if I talk about their salary part, again, it was less. Just to meet my bare minimum expenses of my life. That's it. Nothing beyond than that. But then there was never looking back, and I never regretted that decision. Reason being, I was enjoying my work every day. Even if I have to work 18 hours a day, I never used to think that, okay, 18 hours has passed on. I never have to look at my watch. Okay.
Right.
So when you are enjoying what you are doing, then that never becomes like work.
So how, like, a lot of HR do a lot of programs and workshops for motivation, motivating employees. But there are people who are only motivated by money. Say for
Right.
example, if person A, employee A is getting 70,000 rupees and he's doing his job. Employee B is getting 50,000, he loves his job, but employee A, which is 70, doesn't love his job. He's like, okay, 1 lakh, I'll go to that company.
Right.
So, अगर जैसे आप HR हो, राइट, आपको ये सारी चीज़ें पता है, nothing to like nothing new about you, मतलब for you, but एक बंदे को मटेरियलिस्टिक में जाना चाहिए या उसको अपने पैशन, जैसे अभी आपने बोला ना, खाने का ना पीने का, 18 घंटे 12 घंटे, आई डोंट नो, फ्यू पीपल से 12 घंटे हो गए, चलना यार छोड़ना, चलते 8 घंटे हो गए भाई साहब, ये तो बहुत हो गया, चलना काम करते बाहर में जाए, कल करेंगे, राइट? लॉट ऑफ पीपल लाइक दिस. सो व्हाट योर पॉइंट where person should become non-materialistic, they should love what they do despite of the salary. So ये motivation कैसे लाए इंसान?
If you're adding any value to the work that you're doing, okay, any company or any organization that you're working with, they will make sure that all your materialistic needs are managed. Okay. But अगर आप value addition नहीं कर रहे हो, आप जो भी काम कर रहे हो, it could be anything. Even if you're working as a security guard and you have a way to greet the people and do it, you're adding value to that job.
True.
Same goes for the HR jobs or any other jobs for that matter. अगर आपने value addition कर लिया ना, तो आप जिस भी organization में हो, they will see that what value you're bringing it into what salary, and they will definitely go ahead and match it. And if they're not, be vocal about it. Don't shy. Don't shy at all about these things. Say that these are my expectations, this is what I'm expecting, these are the value I'm bringing across to the table, and these are the certain things that I've been doing in past 1 year to manage certain process, or maybe there was a loophole into the process, that person happens to manage it. Maybe there was a problem and he has brought across a solution to the table. So why to be shy about it? Talk about the materialistic thing. Because at the end of the day, you have to manage your personal expenses also. And that company is not going to understand. They are also not God either. Okay? That they understand that
Absolutely.
this is what brings across the motivation. But after a certain point in time, more than the materialistic things, what matters most to you? Again, coming back to the same point, purpose. Whatever work you are doing, is that solving your purpose? Are you increasing in terms of these skill sets? Okay, I can keep earning money into multiple roles for the multiple jobs that I do. But is that adding any skill sets to my personality? Is that adding anything to me? If that question keeps on coming across, learning will never stop. You'll keep learning.
पर ये पर्पस कैसे ढूंढे? बोलते हैं हम पर्पस है, बट ये पर्पस पता कैसे चले कि मेरी लाइफ का पर्पस है?
उसके लिए बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने पड़ेंगे.
जैसे
एक्सपेरिमेंट्स करने पड़ेंगे. Try any job with which you are not uncomfortable. आप कंफर्टेबल ही नहीं हो उस काम को करने के लिए. ट्राई आउट करो, वर्क करो. ओके, जैसे मुझे अपनी फर्स्ट कॉल याद है जब मैंने IBM में ली थी. आई वाज लाइक कि उस दिन मुझे लेनी ही नहीं है. एंड आई वाज रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम एवरी पॉसिबल थिंग. देन माय मैनेजर सैट डाउन विद मी, काउंसल्ड मी. चाहे आज का दिन हो या से 3 महीने बाद का कॉल सो आपको लेनी चाहिए. इसलिए तो आपने जॉब की थी. सो पिक अप द कॉल और कॉल चली मेरी 3 घंटे. And the other person over the other line was a very elderly person. Okay. So I had hard time in understanding her. She has hard time in understanding me due to my accent. Okay.
Yes.
So
Understood.
those things happened. And another thing was this. मेरी pronunciation कुछ particular words को लेके मेरी voice and accent training में trainer said कि ये सही नहीं है. You have to work additionally for it. She used to sit with me along an hour additionally. Apart from the regular hours, जब हमारी पूरी टीम के साथ जो है voice and accent training चलती थी.
Diction and pronunciation. Okay.
So we used to go out, बाहर जाके लिफ्ट के पास शीशे लगे हुए हैं. वहाँ पे आपको pronunciation करनी है to remove your hesitations. Okay. So lot many things like that.
Why they chose lift? Why not?
क्योंकि वहाँ पे सब लोग आते जाते रहेंगे. आप किससे hesitation करोगे? आपकी hesitation permanently खत्म. Social. कोई भी देख रहा है आपको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. No distractions is going to help you out.
Nice.
That was one thing. Second one was thing, you talk about any kind of sales job. Okay, it's specifically going door to door. So this was a contractual role that I took up in Varanasi. Okay, after returning from Bangalore, I was there again for 6-7 months preparing for CAT. That didn't happen.
Why it didn't happen?
Percentile अच्छा नहीं आया था. और attempt करिए the questions.
अच्छा.
Okay. So I used to go and visit different shopkeepers in Varanasi. जिनके पास आपको ad selling करनी है और वो भी Times of India की करनी है जिसको पढ़ते भी नहीं है. So sitting with them, talking to them, understanding their concept was again a different kind of a uncomfortable job that I have done. मेरा कंफर्ट जोन नहीं था वो बिल्कुल भी. आप फोन पे मुझसे कितना भी बात करा लो, कितने भी लोगों से बात करा लो, मैं उनकी पूरी कुल्ली निकलवा कर आपको दे सकती हूँ.
पर आप face to face नहीं.
एक पर्सन उस टाइम तक थी हेजिटेशन कि हाउ वुड आई गो कंसीडरिंग द फैक्ट कि मैंने 4 साल का इंटरनेशनल बीपीओ का एक्सपीरियंस है. 3 साल डेल में निकाला, 1 साल IBM में निकाला. ओके, आई वोंट से दैट वाजंट देयर. So talking to these people who don't understand anything about the professionalism, उनसे बैठ के proper हिंदी में बात करना.
Okay.
That was another challenge. So until unless you don't challenge yourself, how would you know कि आपकी life का purpose क्या है? I was afraid of heights. I took a trekking trip last year.
Wow. Super.
So
super.
that removed that fear.
Yes.
Okay. So until unless you don't challenge, how would you know कि आप क्या कर सकते हो क्या नहीं कर सकते हो?
Well said. Well said.
मुझे नहीं लगता था मैं कभी morning person बन सकती हूँ. But after doing night shifts and returning home in the morning and taking a 2-hour walk every day, approximately for 5 to 7 kilometers, is again something that I have continued for. It's been like more than 3 months now. So I don't think so that can ever go away.
Yes.
So that is
Super.
again, you have to keep challenging yourself. आपने एक particular error reach कर लिया, ठीक है. आपने अपने लिए goal set किया था कि 1 साल का मेरा ये goal है, मुझे ये learn करना है. आपने learn किया, उसको implement किया. Implement करने के बाद आप आगे बढ़े. लेकिन 1 साल के बाद अगर आपकी learning फिर से रुक गई, आपने वो काम बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर लिया. What next? वो तो आपको ही खुद प्रपोज करना पड़ेगा ना. आपका मैनेजर, आपकी कंपनी, उनका एक विजन गोल है. आप उसको जब तक फुलफिल कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छे एम्प्लॉय हो. लेकिन पर्सनल आपको देखना पड़ेगा. Nobody is going to come and push you कि नहीं ठीक है, 1 साल हो गए तुमने ये काम बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर लिया, लो सेकंड काम कर लो. और सेकंड काम को करने के लिए हो सकता है कई बार आपकी टीम्स दे अपॉर्चुनिटी आ जाए, बट अगर आप अनकंफर्टेबल हो तो कैसे होगा? तो assumptions तो करने ही नहीं चाहिए, अपने बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं करने चाहिए.
Correct.
हो सकता है कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं ये काम बहुत अच्छी तरह से कर रही हूँ, दूसरा काम इससे भी और अच्छी तरह से कर सकूँ. So later on, post HR, if I have to move and choose any other profession, I might choose sales and marketing.
Really? Sweet. What's like, if I'll say one line, what's HR and sales and marketing for you?
HR, if I talk about, it's all about human psychology, human interactions. Okay, sales and marketing, it's all about, let's say a person has a problem. Okay, if I understood the crux of that problem and I'm offering a solution to it, that's sales and marketing.
Sales marketing में भी psychology होता है.
हाँ होता है.
But so,
until
how
you
you relate to?
Until unless you don't understand the problem.
हाँ.
आपका प्रोडक्ट है, आपकी सर्विसेज है, ठीक है.
True.
बट आप जिसको भी सेल आउट करने जा रहे हो, आपको उसका कंसर्न समझना है. उसके प्रोसेस में क्या लूपहोल है, वो क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहा है. अगर उसको आपने समझ लिया, तब आप कोई प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस ऑफर कर रहे हो, वो श्योर शॉट विन है. बट अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस उसके प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन नहीं दे रहा है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, अपने कॉम्पिटिटर की डिटेल्स दे दो.
Wonderful. That's good. Okay, I think I have one more question. What's success for you?
Success? Anytime, if I think that there's something I can't do, I think, okay, and later on, after a few months or maybe after a few weeks, I'm able to do it. That's success for me.
Super. What's failure for you then?
Failure, I put across my efforts. Results नहीं आए जैसे मैंने सोचे थे. कोई problem नहीं है. Failure है. Move on. I put across different kind of efforts. कुछ और results आएंगे.
Super. Okay, let me think what should be the right, because we had discussion like over a call like around an hour, nearby around an hour. That was a very great discussion. Okay, अगर मन में आपको रिवेंज की भावना है, कुछ ऐसे भावना है किसी के प्रति, तो उसे कैसे रोके?
Okay. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं आती. I'm a human person. Okay, so at times it happens that there are people who committed certain things और वो नहीं करते हैं. So I wanted to understand the reason behind it. मेरा मन करता है कि मैं बात करूँ, समझूँ उस चीज़ को कि ऐसा किया तो क्यों किया. एक particular act, it could be anything, personal, professional life, कहीं भी हो सकता है. And I try to connect with the person. अगर connect कर लिया तो ठीक है, नहीं connect किया so it's like ठीक है, this person is at loss. मैं इस पे और कुछ काम नहीं कर सकती. I can't waste my efforts, my energy into this. Okay, ठीक है, वो thought आता है एक बार मन में, गुस्सा भी बहुत आता है. Okay, more than the revenge, it's like कि why did this happen? और अगर ये होना था तो early stages पे हो सकता था, because I'm very much vocal about the things I happen to have in my mind. Okay, at every place. So if there are any changes or anything as such, feel free to talk about it. अगर आप बात करोगे तो कितनी भी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम हो सलूशन निकल जाएगा. बात नहीं करोगे कोई सलूशन नहीं निकलेगा. दिमाग में वो चीजें चलती रहेंगी और फिर आ जाएंगी assumptions वाली बातें. तो इतनी एनर्जी वेस्ट ही क्यों करनी है?
Correct. Okay, what's energy for you?
Energy? Talking to you is energy for me.
Super.
Okay, enjoying whatever is into my vicinity while commuting from one place to the other is energy for me.
Wow, wonderful.
Okay, talking to people, understanding them is energy for me.
Super.
For no reason, because I don't happen to have any motive into my mind. For today's conversation also, there's nothing.
Phenomenal.
Okay.
I always say that when you're not prepared, you're actually prepared for something. So that's beautiful. Okay, the last question of this show. What's your secret sauce or the secret mantra for your own self? It could be a Bollywood line, it could be a poem, it could be anything. So in your case, what's your secret mantra?
Nobody can make you feel inferior without your consent. This has been one-liner. I'm not able to recall the name of the writer. Okay, but I have been reading this line since my childhood, so it's engraved into my mind.
Superb. So how this impacted in your life? How this
at every point in time, if I'm feeling low, okay, saying that okay, I'm not good enough to do this, so I become the same person. That this is my feeling. Nice. Why am I making myself feel low due to the opinion, due to the situation of others, which is not going to impact them but me.
But एक बार के लिए तो बुरा लगता है ना, क्या यार भूल गया यार मेरे को भूल के.
हंसी आती है मुझे अब.
Good. जैसे बहुत जो हमारे व्यूअर्स सुनेंगे वो बोलेंगे यार मेरे को इनके जैसा बनना है यार, मस्त है, पर क्या मतलब कैसे हंसते रहते हैं, कोई बोल के चला गया कुछ, राइट? सो इफ दे आर इन अ सिचुएशन where people say यार ये पागल है, या back bitching, a lot of things like politics and lot many things,
It happens.
और उनको बुरा भी लगता है, गुस्सा भी आता है, अपने घर में भी अपने घर वालों को परेशान करते हैं, खुद भी परेशान है, तो इस सिचुएशन में योर लास्ट वर्ड, व्हाट शुड दे डू?
See, whenever you're feeling something like this, be into that situation. उस सिचुएशन में अपने आप को, आगे वाले पर्सन को, दोनों को ही निकाल कर एक थर्ड पर्सन की तरह उस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकल जाओ और सोचो जो चीज़ें चल रही हैं, why this is happening. Could be a possibility कि जो पर्सन आया है आपसे लड़ने के लिए, होता है, मेरे साथ बहुत बार होता है, okay, वो हंसते मुस्कुराते हुए एंड में जाएगा. Okay. तो वो आया है, could be lot of baggage behind it. घर की प्रॉब्लम्स कर रही है, EMIs की टेंशन से, बीवी ने अलग परेशान कर रखा है, ठीक है?
हमेशा बीवी क्यों परेशान करती है?
बीवी नहीं, गर्लफ्रेंड भी परेशान कर सकती है, ठीक है? And
मतलब लड़कियाँ क्यों परेशान करते हैं? Everybody से like लड़कियाँ परेशान करती हैं.
it's a common thing that people have maintained into their mind. अगर आप नहीं चाहोगे परेशान होना ना, आपको कोई नहीं कर सकता है.
Exactly.
Okay. वो आ रहा है तो एक बार ट्राई करो सोचने की और अपने आप को भी सिचुएशन से बाहर निकल जाओ. वो सोचो ही मत कि वो आपको पर्सनली बोल रहा है या जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आप काम कर रहे हो उसकी वजह से बोल रहा है. ये पर्सनल लाइफ में भी है कि पर्सनली खुद भी कोई चीजें लेनी नहीं चाहिए. You don't know the situation जिसकी वजह से वो इतना ample जो फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो चुका है कि वो वेंट आउट होना है और वो आपके पास हो रहा है तो ठीक है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, हो जाने दो पूरी तरह से. सुन लो बहुत प्यार से, स्माइल करते हुए सुनो, पानी ऑफर करो, कुछ भी खाने पीने का वो भी ऑफर करो. Let that person come across with everything. सारी चीजें जब निकल जाएंगी ना, तब बोलो कि ठीक है, फाइन, अब बताओ, अब सारी चीजें हो गई हैं, एक्चुअल प्रॉब्लम क्या थी.
Okay. And they also realize after venting it out, they don't know where to vent out. So अब जब उन्होंने बता दिया तो feel like okay, I'm feeling relaxed. तो ये होता है.
This therapy works. This therapy works even with the strangers. Okay. This is I was talking about a face to face, but at times it happens that I spoke to a lot of people in 2020. Total freshers or maybe total experienced people, not sure where their life is taking them, not sure what they wanted to do next, laid off, not working, maybe taken a break for more than a year, and almost on the verge of giving up.
Yeah.
So when you speak to such kind of people and you tell them that giving up is easy. You don't like a job, you leave, you go, you do work somewhere. That's also easy. Okay. But what if you try more? What if it's something next in hold for you? Okay. And we are humans. We can't give up. If we can give up, we are similar to the other creatures in this planet. Okay. Nothing new. They don't have mind.
Yeah.
We have been gifted with mind. So let's utilize it along with our heart.
Beautiful.
That's how the things keep on going and you keep on going. Okay. Situations will come. They'll be bad, they'll be good. But you have to manage accordingly. So it's rightly said into Bhagavad Gita, which I have been listening to it quite long now. Okay. That your ultimate motive should be giving your efforts. Results will vary. Results might not even happen. Okay.
True.
That's fine. But efforts should be consistent. And it has to keep on going.
Wonderful said. So भगवद गीता की लाइन पे खत्म करते हैं इस पूरे beautiful session को. But I must say that you have a clarity of thoughts. You have what you really want to do, and you never fear of failures. You don't have fear of failures. ये तीनों चीजें मुझे आप में बहुत उम्दा लगी. So thank you so much for giving so many beautiful. मुझे नहीं लगा कि मैंने ज़्यादा बोला आज. आप ही ने question किया, आप ही ने answer किया, which is super amazing. So that's commendable. That's lovely.
And thanks for inviting me over here. Thanks to you and your team for waiting for me so late over here.
No problem. I'm really glad that you आपने हमें अपना कीमती वक्त दिया. So उसके लिए बहुत शुक्रिया. So इसको एक अच्छे नोट पे खत्म करते हैं. आपका last sentence to all the audience out there. Last word. Yeah.
Well,
Can say
I can only say one thing, that you should never even look forward to give up.